Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the T350 long wheelbase high roof Ford Transit. It's a late 1666 reg, one owner vehicle from new. It's a Euro 6 engine, clean air zone van. It's come direct from Ford lease. It's been on the pharmaceuticals deliveries for the pharmacies. One owner, and the big saving on this one, there's no VAT to add on the price, no VAT. Nice van all round. It's got a dropout walk-in ramp system at the rear of the vehicle, parking sensors, spot lamps, side door, upgraded wheel covers. It's a one owner, it's a long, it's a high, 6-speed, cloth seats, direct from the pharmaceuticals, 6-speed gearbox there. A nice clean van, over mats fitted, side door, it's all lined in the back as well, and the dropout ramp. One or two small little marks just here and there, a couple of small little dents on just on the lower panels, as you'd expect on a used van. This is a full-sized fold-away ramp. Just folds up into the back of the van. There is pictures there showing it folded up. Ideal if you want to use it for putting motorbikes in or gardening equipment, machinery. Drive it straight up the ramp there. Good clearance on the back springs there as well. Stands up quite high, this one. It's got a parking camera, colour camera on the rear, and sensors. Parking sensors also. Like a trend spec. It's got a nice spec on this one. Silver steering wheel there at the centre. 6-speed. Camera comes into the monitor here. Bluetooth. But it's a Euro 6 clean air zone van. Long wheelbase, high roof, and there's no VAT to add on the price. It's also a camera here. Maybe you can see it on the video. But there is a camera system there when you're driving. Comes with a 3 months JS Vans warranty. You also get 12 months basic AA car cover, breakdown cover, HPI report. We can also arrange delivery of the vehicle. If you're looking for it to get delivered, we can arrange that as well. So Ford Transit, long wheelbase, high roof, T350, one owner vehicle from new with the dropout aluminium ramp in the back there. If you don't require it, just unbolt. You can just take it out if you don't require it. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and hope to speak to you soon.